Hey everybody, just making a quick video here. I just got back from a trip to the east where we were distributing aid and helping people whose homes were destroyed, cleaning up their homes and that sort of thing. I'm in a church right now. It's not uncommon, so I'll just show you this in churches in Ukraine to have people making camouflage netting. So you'll often see mothers or wives in here making netting, this camouflage netting behind me. It's not uncommon to see that sort of thing in Ukraine. I'll have another video after this, but what the church here has been working with a number of villages in the east where people are, whose homes were destroyed in the war, and they're living in sometimes just terrible situations. There was one lady we were helping yesterday who's living in a cellar, and there's other people that are living in sort of sheds with holes in them and that sort of thing. So they're wanting to try and build homes for these people in these villages in the east. And I just wanted to ask if you could help with that. I'm going to have some videos after this one to show you sort of the situation that these people live in, and you can get an idea of what's going on there. The cost of the houses is $9,500, $9,500. That is a huge blessing to these people who are not going to be able to sort of rebuild their lives on their own. It would be a great way to show the love of Christ and also to bless these people. So love you all, and look forward to hearing from you. Love you. Bye.
Goodbye here.
Так, ну що, розказуйте. Оце, я так поняла, ви тут спите, да?
Да, ну розкладую
So
одіяло.
that's the bed. That's where she
Кукушки
sleeps.
є.
А що це? Це у вас... Ага.
Розкладушка.
Ага, це розкладушка. А оце матрас, да, що ви кладете?
Ну що, я не кладу, так як вони тоді привезли, і я його так поставила, тому що він висить.
А, він дуже широкий, да?
Да.
Не поміщається.
Ну, я...
They brought her the mattress, but she
Yeah.
can't put it because it's too
Too
wide.
wide.
So
Too
she
wide.
just keeps it here.
Yeah.
Мгм.
Does it leak when it rains
А
much?
коли дощ іде, оце тече чи ні?
Укрили.
Підтикає?
Ми з братом укривали клійонку. Сільська рада нам дала, і ми...
Oh, some people they helped.
Yeah.
They covered,
They covered
on
the
top. Yeah, so it's not leaking anymore.
А текло
It
там
used
у
to leak.
коридорі.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially in the corridor, it
Yeah.
used to leak.
Yeah.
Які віші сохранилися, так вони позатікали вон теж. Ну,
Yeah.
я їх
Yeah.
де понадавали чи попривозили волонтери всяку отакі, ну, стирачу, щоб і пахло
Yeah.
собі.
А, для стірки ці.
Да. Ну, машинки ж то немає, я руками.
Ага.
Ну, як
Ну,
я...
Буде так, треба вірити і сміятися, улыбатися. Сміх продлевает жизнь. Надо продлевать жизнь. Все, моя хорошая. Хорошо? То все, до следующего раза, щоб не плакала.
Hang on.